I have got a paragraph over here with the lorem ipsum text. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a class, and I'll define the background color as BG blue 300. I'll give it a left and right padding, and I will also give a margin top. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, good. So what if I want to change the font size of this text? Well, that is very easy using the Tailwind, and just need to give text hyphen, and then I can use XL. As we see over here, we can go for 2XL, 3XL, 4 up to 6. So let's try 2XL, and we see that the size has increased. If we go for 2XL, we see that the size of the paragraph has been further increased. We can even go for small text using the class text hyphen sm, and now if we check, we have got a small font, and we can further reduce it using XS, which stands for extra small. And now if I reload it, it is even more smaller. Let's switch it back to SM, and let's say we want to change the font weight. Well, that is also very easy. I'll give it a span. So let's say we all only want to change it for these two. So in order to change the font weight, I can give the class font black. So as we see, it has the font weight of 900, and there we go. We can also use font bold, which has the font weight of 700. Well, there are other options available to change the font size, the font weight, but these are the only two that you are going to use most of the time. All right, let's see how we can change the alignment of this text. I'm going to change it to LG, and if I want to align it to the right, I can use text right. So that will right align the text, and there we go. Same way we can also align left using text left, and we can also do center align using the class text center, and also we have text justify to justify the text. So this is how easy it is in the Tailwind CSS. In this video we checked how we can change the font size, how we can check the font weight, and then finally how we can align the text within a div or a paragraph. So hope you are getting the hang of Tailwind by now. See you in the next video.